Hiya!
In this video we'll be reviewing the GoPro and what I've done with it so far. So I'm just gonna say straight up, it's been very useful as I've been using it for a webcam when I am streaming, not really streaming but also recording for my gaming channel. And also my little brother wanted to show off him riding a bike, and he used this case with this tripod. Well, it does come out to a tripod, and he used it to show him riding a bike. And I haven't took this case off, but also we have the
UV filter
yeah.
is good for the light, especially. It make more good the colors. We done couple of videos with this one. The last one we use it like a webcam. You can see the quality is very good. We use now 80D on Canon, again with UV filter, but on the GoPro it's much more better the quality. It's shooting 4K. This is just 1080.
Yeah, and you can straight away connect it to your Mac or I don't know, any other type of computers, laptops, and it will just connect to being a webcam, as it has a feature for live streaming, and it has a very long lasting battery, and it has a lot of storage. But what I've seen is that the video cuts out at 11:40 minutes, so 11 minutes and 40 seconds. So I have like 11 minutes and 48, 46 videos. But other than that, it's all good. And
But this is normal one. Everyone who use GoPro, you know, they cut it, depends of the quality of the video. They cut the smaller one. Any program, when you load it, they stitch it together without any problem. It sees the whole one video.
and even when I watch on my phone, it says it's a live preview and the quality is still good to see it as clear as a phone picture quality or video quality on a phone is as good as that. But it will be even better if you upload it up with a 4K.
I
Anything
think
else?
everyone gonna appreciate that because it's honest opinion. We are not sponsored to anyone. We just bought the stuff. We are new in this with the streaming video or whatever. We just buy the equipment that we like, that we can use on most of the places. It doesn't matter where we go.
And yeah, it was new, pretty new, and it was based on some reviews and they were good, so we thought why not, and then we tried it and it is pretty good. So other than that, that's all.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, comment,
Thumbs up. And we'll see you in another review, unboxing or whatever. Bye.
See you later guys.